crazy kid, I have crazy dreams. Not a swimmer, it's killer, I will be drowning at sea. But that's the story with me, I will never be better. Get it together, I said it with such glee. A magician, my visions are dimming low. You used to be my best friend. I'm using that term loosely cause the evidence shows me that it can just end. After I press send, it all went downhill. Put everything we had done together to a standstill. It just isn't fair, I'll get it off my chest. It's clear you didn't care, you would have second guessed. I know I made a mess, you put me to the test. I never thought a friendship would be like a game of chess. I was trying to help you, it was evident. To you it was irrelevant, your final gave me sentiment. Maybe if you were hesitant you could have been benevolent and talk to me, cause obviously I know that you're intelligent. But no, you put it in a box full of locks and hover your mouse cursor over block. And I'm not just data you can't erase. It takes you seconds to get rid of me, but longer to get rid of what we made. Didn't give a shit as much as I did. I thought we shared a bond that's endlessly ignited. Cause when you were upset I was the one that fighted. I was always on your side, can't believe you lost sight. It's funny, I'm spinning with venom that's never ending and mending. But I'll be sending a message that you're not getting a better with all this talent. You're nothing but just a bell and letting other people write every single word that you're penning. You put me second to her, I put her second to you. You broke up, I took that as a cue. Tried to put you back together, told you could've had it better. Copy pasted to the letter, what you chose, what you choose. You could've been my best friend. I'm using that term loosely cause the evidence shows me that it could just end. I was hoping for a while that it could then, but I guess it was over after I hit send.